Hello. Okay, so I recently got in some Color Street Mascara that I'm excited to try. And I've been using this with my brush and my cheeks. It's a balm, so it's not dry. I absolutely love it. Well, there's that. And so I'm gonna try the mascara. We'll see how this works here. Open it up here. There we go. Ooh, look at the packaging. I can't believe Color Street has makeup. It just blows my mind. Let's see. I've never done makeup on a video. Oh, the brush is cute and little. Okay. So, I don't know. I have a mirror down here too. Wow. It's nice. The brush is really precise. I like that. Wow. Wow. That is actually really pretty. I am impressed. I like it. So far, I've liked all their makeup. Let's see. This is the icicle. Matches my nails. I've been wearing this too. This is really pretty. And that I just rub on, you know, we go up a little bit like that. And then a little bit down here. I don't wear a whole lot of makeup because I usually end up rubbing it off anyway. Ooh, pretty. So I'll do the other eye and then I'll take a screenshot and share it with you guys. But yep, thumbs up. See you guys.